Well, hello, I'm Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia, and we're going to talk about 5 ways to make your home smell inviting. Let's go. Okay, so an easy way to make your home smell inviting is candles or melted wax. And so I like this candle, especially this particular smell is Island Papaya. You know, it's very sweet. The smell depends on you. It's your preference, but candles are a great way to make your home smell inviting and pleasant. Another way to make your home smell inviting is diffuse oils. You can find these at different stores like Ross or TJ Maxx. Any type of store that has the home section, you can find diffuse oils, and they work really well around the entire home. You know what else you can do? You can simmer a pot of water, cinnamon, and apple on the stove. Very, very low. This is very, very inexpensive. just works. I do it myself. So you just put a pot on the stove. You don't want to fall asleep on this pot now. You don't want to go and leave the house with the pot on the stove. But while you're in the house, say you're like cleaning up or whatever, or guests are about to arrive and you want to set the ambiance for the home, do that on the stove. Super inexpensive, very easy, and you'll see it makes you feel, it makes you feel a little bit festive there. You think about like the holidays and things like that. So try that out. I think you'll love it. This one right here is a fan favorite. No one's going to disagree with this. When you want to make your home smell good, it really can start right there in your kitchen. So when I used to work for a builder years ago in new construction, they would ask us to bake cookies. And you know cookies smell so good. We would bake the cookies and then the guests would come in and tour the home and have cookies as well. So it totally works. So you can do the same thing. You can bake cookies, cakes, brownies, even bread, and let that smell just flow all through the house. Okay, my final tip to share with you to make your home smell inviting is fresh flowers and potpourri. Oh my goodness. When I was younger, my mom would have potpourri in every room, and then she would add on to it by having color-coordinated potpourri. So you can do that too. Fresh flowers, as we know, purifies the air. It's beautiful. It smells great, especially when it blooms. So having flowers throughout your home and potpourri will do the trick. I hope that this information was helpful to you. As you know, I'm a real estate broker and appraiser, and so I can help you with the purchase and sale of your real estate. I've been doing this for 20 years, and I would love to assist you in all of your real estate transactions. So make sure you contact me. My information is boom right here. You can call me, text me, email me. I will respond. Also, find me on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Glad that you are here. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. I appreciate your support. So listen, I can't wait to work with you in the near future. You go ahead and contact me so we can get started right away with getting you into a new home or selling a home that you are already in. Okay, we'll see you on the next video.